Hi, I'm Mike Edwards. I've raced every season since 1982. I've ridden just about everything there is to ride. I've won 6 British Championships. I've won on the road, at Macau and at the Northwest 200. I coach motorcycles on track and online. When I'm coaching, I can hear myself repeat my own mantras. I go over the same phrases time after time. So I decided to put some of them on t-shirts. As it says, on the gas or on the brakes. Anything else is wasting time. Something else I'm always hearing myself saying. Later, harder, deeper. Now I know what you're thinking, but it's actually all about braking. For merch and any online coaching information, visit my website, v121pro.com.